Hey everyone, Dale here with Tesla Energy. I am at their booth at the RE Plus convention in Anaheim, California. This is the 20th anniversary for RE Plus. It's been a phenomenal kind of experience at this particular event. There's been hundreds, if not thousands, of vendors, and I'm excited to be here at Tesla's booth specifically for the DC expansion battery. But I want to kind of show you what they have going on. They have the Gateway version 3 up on the wall. As you can see, this goes hand in hand with the Powerwall, and it's utilized in jurisdictions where you may not be able to install that awesome device that they developed, which is the backup switch. So sadly, Southern California Edison still hasn't approved this little device in their jurisdiction. It was supposed to be approved in May and it got delayed. And honestly, Tesla's been working with Edison for almost 2 years trying to get this product approved. I know they're getting close. So for those of you in Southern California Edison's territory, don't worry, it's gonna be approved sooner rather than later. But guess what's here? That expansion battery. And the beauty of the expansion battery is your ability to have double the storage with that 11.5 kilowatt inverter that's integrated into the Powerwall 3. So you still have those 6 MPPT inputs, which you can run in parallel, which simplifies your strings up on the roof. The amount of innovation that's built into this one unit is incredible. And the fact that the expansion battery sits behind it is even better. So let's get in a little closer so you can take a look. So here are some things I want to point out. This is an AC disconnect to comply with the electrical code. So that way you can turn on and off the battery as you need to, and it's lockable. Why does it need to be lockable? Because it needs to be a lockout, tag out kind of configuration to ensure it's safe, whether it's in a residential use or in a commercial use. Yes, the Powerwall 3 will eventually make its way to the commercial space, which is going to be a game changer for those of you that have small commercial buildings looking to make the switch to clean renewable energy. So right here we have 27 kilowatt hours of energy with an 11.5 kilowatts of power output. Very small footprint. This would be in your garage. And then check out the trunk cabling, how they configured this, right? You're good. So right here, this is all you need to install it. Expansion battery, Powerwall 3, cabling to connect the 2 units together. Simple. This is the future, people. And if you haven't considered the Powerwall, you need to. There's a lot of great products on the market, but what Tesla has done here is revolutionary. So if you're interested in learning more about the Tesla product, visit them online at tesla.com. And if you're looking to get a quote from a trusted partner, visit reinnovations.org.